Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos coming soon to my channel. Doing something a little bit different today. My fingers needed a break, so I'm pulling out the Red Iguana practice hand and we're going to be playing with some acrylic. Using a couple different acrylics here. I'm using Kiara Sky, Peachy, Glitterbels, Dragonfruit, and then I'm also using some Kandykrylix, Peach Bellini, and also the color Easter Bunny. This is a brand that I found on Instagram, and I really do suggest giving them a try. The colors are super pretty, the glitters are gorgeous, and the shipping was really fast. I think I got my order in about 2 or 3 days at the most. Definitely worth checking out. I originally planned on doing this look for Easter, and once I started going, I realized that the colors were a bit too vibrant for that and just didn't look Easter at all. So this is more summer vibes, bright colors, warm weather, and I'm here for it. I can't wait for summer. These nails inspired me to do a fun, bright makeup look, so stay tuned to the end of the video where you can see me do my makeup and match my makeup to my nails. I'm using Suzies Clean Odorless Monomer. I do this for my home, so it is much easier for everybody that lives here for me to use the odorless monomer as it doesn't stink up the entire house. And however, there is a learning curve to it, so you do want to give it a few seconds to rest on the nail before you actually go through and move it around. This gives it time to cure as it is a very slow setting system. So once you apply it on the nail, give it a few seconds before you start to move it at all. Once I'm done applying the color and the glitters, I am now going to go through and I'm going to clear cap them. So when I file, I don't end up taking any of that color off or those glitters. When you use odorless monomer, it does leave a tacky layer on top. So to remove that, you're going to want to either file the tacky layer off, or for me, since I'm using a practice hand, it's easier just to pull the nails out and put them in a bowl of warm water for a minute, and that gets that layer right off of there. And then I go through and I buff the nails, put them back in the hand, and then I'm going to top coat. After you apply your top coat, you're going to want to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. This is the finished look. I think they turned out cute and vibrant, so pretty, ready for summer, and please stay tuned for a makeup look that matches these nails. Nothing is more annoying than thinking you're recording and you're not. Oh my gosh, I just did both eyes and realized that I wasn't even recording any of it. So I wiped out one of them and I'm gonna keep this one on and I'm just gonna go back and do this one over again. Anyways, if you're still here and you're watching, thank you so much for joining me. This obviously is not my hand. This is my practice hand, so we're matching. Don't mind this over here. I have construction going on. I am going to be having my own beauty room for my nails and my makeup. So I'm definitely gonna be taking my YouTube journey to the next level. I can't wait to do it. Beautybay Nikkie Tutorials palette, color Redemption. I think that's the closest orange that I got to my nail stuff here. Conspiracy palette, not Urban Decay, Jeffree Star. Taking this color Cheese Dust. Essence eyeshadow in Shrink Me Up. Kind of go in the inner corner there. Just kind of deepen that up a bit. The NYX glitter primer.
It's too late now to turn around.
I'm going to be taking two colors because I don't really have exactly a peach Bellini mix like I did in my nails, but Tiger's Eye from the Stoned Vibes palette from Urban Decay. I'm going to take some of that.
It's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said
I'm going to do my liner and my lashes off camera, and then I will be right back.
Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love.
Then we're gonna go through and bronze the rest of the face so I don't look washed out.
So do you wanna take me back? All of our broken plans so we can start again.
If you're really pale like me, make sure you go down your neck.
I'm too selfish for that. I let you fall again.
Till summer comes, I really don't have any foundations that match my skin. Get the forehead, bronze the temples, get that shit in your hair.
I'm sorry, my actions they haunt me and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
I'm taking my Mary Luminizer, and this is pretty tore up because I've dropped it a few times. Oops. But it's one of my favorites. Put that on the very tops of the cheeks, right along the bone.
I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
Okay, do the setting spray. I found the scarf. Thought it matched perfectly with my get up here. Anyway, so this is the finished look. Oh, well, yes, this way. Might be a little creepy, just ignore that it's not real. Well, my friends, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really enjoyed doing the makeup look and also the nails and just doing makeup matches my nails type video. Let me know down in the comments below if you enjoyed watching this, if you like this take on my nail videos or just in general. And yeah, so I know kind of what to do in the future. I'm still new to YouTube, so I'm really just trying to figure out what works for me. I would love to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year or even sooner than that. So please, please, please like, comment, subscribe, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye.